Well, after the crazy week of everything breaking, including people, it's been a pretty good few days now. Everyone's having a lot of fun. Coral's actually jumping into the water from the sailboat, which is so cool. Super proud of her. Ja, så skickar så falla.
Jag vill swinga!
Så swinga! Wow!
Visa alla fångarna!
Okay.
No time and going more!
And Kai just woke up from passing out while watching a little movie. It's kind of fun. Sleepy bud. You falling asleep at the table. You wanna lie down? Good buddy. Let's lie you down. Making some dinner to feed the whole crew. Kai, do you want to say anything? Are you having fun? No, he's hiding in mommy's. Soaking in those 2, almost 3-year-old cuddles. Because at one point he won't want me. I'm my boy. I'm my cutie. Making some little potatoes, little salad, and Corey's got some pork on the barbecue. Should be good.
Yeah, one day.
And one day, can we make burgers or hamburgers?
Hamburgers would be good, eh?
We can do
It's about
burgers. Yeah.
Really good. What's your favorite part?
Burgers look like hamburgers, and hamburgers can look like
Les
burgers.
tomates?
Yeah, we can do
Okay.
that.
What do you have? Wow, vous êtes chanceux, on est allé à la pâtisserie, hein?
Oui.
Oh, yum, 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 yum. Well, we're gonna try to go up a little mountain close by. Hopefully we can find a little trail, so bit of an adventure. It's windy, so that'll make it a little cooler. Oh yeah? Everyone's kind of slowly walking up. Ooh, plane! Plane! Let's go, guys! C'est les graines de tamarin. Tamarind. Well, this is a little bit of a fail. Kai got stung by a wasp and there's no trail. This is like a private property, barbed wire, big gate. So I don't think we're gonna make it to the top of the mountain. This is where we want to go, but we can't. Well, I guess we're gonna have to do a bit of a different kind of adventure because barbed wire and not much of a trail. That went to. Oh! Ah. Yeah, we're not going there. Ah, that hurts. Okay, I get why Kai was crying. Oh, they hurt. They're really hurt. Ah, I'm shaking. Oh yeah, I got more than one.
I had a bad feeling when you were.
I really wonder if I blew up like crazy around my ankle because I got stung multiple times of it there, plus my thigh, or if I've got a slight allergic reaction. But it's huge. It's really big. Oy, 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 oy.
Me about that instead.
C'est cru
Tell
que tu
mommy.
veux Kai.
Mais non, l'homme de dos. Look, I'm flying high.
T'aimes pas ça faire de
I
dos?
just
Stop.
pushed them.
Stop.
T'aimes pas ça faire de dos?
No.
Pourquoi?
What?
Yum, Gouda. We cannot beat like a $40 wheel of Gouda, so we bought 2 of them. $36 wheel of Gouda. This is freaking amazing. I cannot wait. So we're gonna make some mac and cheese with Gouda since we have so much of it. Yum.
Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese.
Excited for mac and cheese?
Yeah. Let me get that.
What do you got?
That.
What is that?
Mine.
Stop screaming, please.
Money.
Can you stop screaming?
Oh, guys.
Thank you. How's mommy doing?
I'm having a little one. I can't walk. It hurts. That's what happens with too many things. Like my thigh is like nothing, you know? Barely any pain.
Well,
Oh,
you
good.
still got a good circle.
Do I? But it doesn't.
But up
doesn't
here,
hurt.
you got stung in the back and you're swollen up to your toes and up your ankle.
Yeah.
Fun.
Yeah, well.
We got popo. Dami got. No! May napapasok. May namak. May no fagwa. No papa. Yeah, Kai made a shark mask. I made a butterfly mask. Wow, we'll see you later. Bye. Bye. Yeah, bye. That mommy. It's time. That mommy for fun. You can get mommy for fun.
Ok, allez-vous arrêter de fermer mes faufounes? Voyons. Our stay ends with one last Mardi de Grand Case parade. Plus, a longtime follower of ours takes us out for dinner at a tasty local barbecue place. Wow, c'est tellement tout belle! Wow, Carole! Woo! Hey, wow! Woo! We sailed back to Marigot Bay to go do one last big provisioning trip before sailing south. The food prices here are some of the cheapest in the Caribbean, with great selection. Well, this is kind of nice. We just spent all day doing some like crazy provisioning, $300 worth of groceries, and I'm a little tired. And now we're letting the kids run on the beach. We just went over to the southern portion of Marigot, and we've never been here. It's kind of nice, this little lagoon. Wow. Just gonna give in some melon d'eau watermelon that grows right here. C'est bon, ouais? Seawater Pro shipped our watermaker parts from Florida, and it's finally in. So we take the dinghy over to the mall to go pick it up. But as we show up, the electricity goes down. Well, we're waiting for our part. We've had a few issues with our watermaker, but I have to say, whenever we've got an issue, Mike from Seawater Pro has just been sending us like brand new whatever was broken and plus. So that's something really nice of that company, because our watermaker is only a year old, so it's not very old. Just get bad luck, I guess. And hopefully the end caps that we get are gonna solve our problem. Otherwise that means it's the membrane. Hopefully not. We'll see. Corey's already hard at it.
In the water, so I can take it back apart. We made sure to swap out the water every few days while we were waiting for the parts, so that hopefully the membrane stays good. Assuming that the membrane is still good, but I don't know. We'll find out when we switch out the end caps. We'll see if it works.
On a side note, I have so much food on board. We've been stockpiling food from the Carrefour and Super U in town. Got a bunch of fruits,
Got a bunch of fruit.
baguettes, cereal, because everyone's eating so much cereal. The fridge, oh yeah, look at my fridge. Oh. Cute little watermelon we got given at the beach yesterday. But yeah, my fridge was just, there's no more space in it. It is full, full. Like every compartment in the boat
Down, I said.
is just filled with so much stuff.
Bread, so mommy gave me some water.
And of course, a little vino. Moment of truth.
Turn up the pressure slowly. So far that's a good sign. Last time I had pressure already had water coming out at 300 psi. Coming out at 500. That's a lot of pressure. That's not good. It's not very good. It's a lot of pressure for being low PSI like that. It's a lot of flow, I should say. Well, no luck. I had a bad feeling, but looks like we need a new membrane. At least it's just one. And now we have a lot of spare parts. I thought maybe the damage inside this end cap here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's gouges in where that O-ring was. I thought maybe that was the problem. We couldn't be sure it was until we tested with new end caps, but now we got new ones and it's still producing terrible over 9,999 parts per million. So I guess the membrane must have gotten a little bit of oil residue from the anchorage, or maybe when we did dishes and weren't paying attention and let the water out. There could be lots of different reasons why the end cap, or why the membrane didn't go or went bad. It could have even been when I took off the end caps, because they were pretty seized on, that maybe I twisted it too much and broke the inner part from the outer part. I don't know exactly, but I get to go for a dinghy ride over to Electech and pick up another membrane. On Amazon they're a lot cheaper, but at least here I can get them directly. I don't have to deal with shipping and everything, so I'm spending an extra $100 but to get it, but I think it'll be worth it, because then I'll have it right away and I can slap it in, and hopefully we'll have water full production again. We'll find out though, can't be sure. Another problem that I noticed is this was always here, but it seems like it's bulging even more. There's a little divot that's sticking out. I'm worried that it's gonna split open there and pour salt water everywhere, which would be absolutely terrible. But I guess if it does, it is made out of epoxy, so I could just wrap it in a bunch of glass and fix it. Alright, let's try to get this new membrane in here. probably fine to touch with your hands, but I'm trying not to, just because it's brand new. Why not avoid getting any little oils and stuff on it if I can.
Please, please, please fix it.
Alright, moment of truth. New membrane. I noticed right away when I went to put in the new membrane into the housing, it was really quite difficult to slide it into it with the O-ring at the end of the membrane versus the old one. So I almost think the membrane might have been okay, but the O-ring was letting it all by, but I don't know, and it doesn't really matter because I've already opened the membrane, so I might as well use the new one. But let's, fingers crossed here.
It's flying through everything. Oh, there's a piece of insulation dangling there.
Hey! Woo! Look at drinkable water again!
With our water maker fixed just in time, we can catch the light winds to go enjoy the island of Saba. Well, today is the day. We are heading out of Saint-Martin. Finally gonna go explore a new island. We are heading out to the Dutch island of Saba. So excited. We've been here for over a month now. C'est-tu bon, Kai? T'as fini? On s'en va où, mes amours?
À Saba, c'est un volcan. Je suis excitée pour embarquer dessus le volcan.